All right, we're going to create a scanner. Create an array list of strings. Then we're going to create a while loop. And in here, we're going to ask the user for words. System.out.println. Enter a word or X when done. String entry equals scan.next line. If entry dot equals X, break. Otherwise, then we're going to have to do the tricky part, just making sure there's no errors. Yeah, seems to be working great. All right, so now we know they didn't enter X, and I'm asking you to add the words to the array list in order. So I'm going to special case when it's empty. If words.size equals 0, words.add entry. So that's easy. Else, and I'm going to put it in parentheses. So that's just a one-time thing. If it was empty, I'm also going to print it out. System.out.println words. So I asked you each time just to print it out. Simple print call. So now we know we have at least one word in the array list, and we need to put the new word in the right place. So there's a lot of ways to do this. I'm gonna do this with a for loop. For int I equals 0, I less than words dot size, I plus plus. Now I'm gonna say if entry dot compare to words dot get I is less than or equal to 0, then that means entry comes before words.getI. Then I'm going to add it right at this spot. So that's words.add at I entry. And if that happens, so we need parentheses around this because we need to break. Once we've added it, we just break. Okay, that works unless it should be at the very end, and then it never knows if it got added. So I'm going to add Boolean added equals false. And before I break, I'm going to say added equals true. And then down here, I'm out of the for loop, and it's if not added, then words.add entry. That just adds it to the end. So that should do it. Let's run it and see if it works. Entry. Oh, it's a capital T. All right. So I'm going to enter A. And I'm going to enter another A. I'm going to enter a B. I'm going to enter an E. I'm going to enter a C. I'm going to enter another B. I'm going to enter a capital A. Remember I told you capital letters are all before. I'm going to enter start. And I'm going to enter sat, and that does come before start. And I'm going to enter stripe, and that should come after. Yeah, it's working great. I enter an X. Oh, and the last thing, I asked you to print out everything afterwards. So this is after the while loop. I want an enhanced for loop to print everything out one line, everything one line, one item per line. So for string w words system.out.println w. So I'm not going to run the whole test again, but I'm going to just do 3 quick tests. C, B, A, and then X, and then we get ABC. All right, that's it.